Ooh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today's video, by the time this goes up, I'm sure there's going to be tons of videos about it. But I don't really care. So I'm just going to unbox it anyway. So today I have the Deluxe box. It finally came in. I ordered this on the 11th. It is now the 21st. So it's been 10 days since I ordered it and I finally got it. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and unbox it because I'm excited. I've been torturing myself about this box for like a week now. I've been trying so hard not to watch people's videos that they've posted. So we're just going to go ahead. All right. I already opened, like not opened it, but like cut the tape off camera. So I'm just going to... Okay, I don't want to look inside. Alright, so here it is. This is what, oh my god. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and get rid of it. Bro, I got a shirt. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I did get the extra large box. So I figured it was going to come with merch. But this shirt though, holy cow. Okay. Oh yeah, this is cute. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Okay. I can't wait to wear this. So it's the Can't Relate. And it's like orange to light orange. Back to dark orange. And it reminds me of candy corn for some reason. Even though it doesn't have white. And then it has like the skull. Like Can't Relate, I guess, thing. Oh, I love this. Ooh. Okay. Alright, that's enough of that. We're going to continue on with the box. Oh, okay. So we're going to start with this because I already know what this is from my last unboxing. So I have another mini breaker palette. So yeah, I have 3 of these now. I gave one to Tara. I might give this one to someone else. We'll see. All right, and so with that, I'm going to go with this next because I'm excited. So this is a liquid frost. Ooh, in the shade... Ooh, Chill Zone. Oh, this is going to be pretty. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open this really quickly. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. Ooh, look at this color though. So, sorry for my bad nails, but this is the color that it is. It's really pretty. And this has like the mechanism that opens. And then you twist it. And then to dispense it, you just... Okay, so I'm just going to put just a tiny bit on the back of my hand. Ooh, I love that it's a dark color because, you know, I'm brown. Oh, I put a lot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that back in this box. And then I'm going to... Ooh, is that like... Okay, so it looks like it has some pink in it. Whatever it is, it's really pretty. So there that is on my hand. Excuse the eyeliner swatch from Ulta. I stopped by Ulta today. Okay, so I see the exclusive item. We're going to save that for last. So we have another lip ammunition from this past summer collection. So it was also one of these in the premium box. This one is in the shade Snow Cone. So it's not focusing on the snow cone. Okay, I'm not gonna hold it like I did last time, trying to get it to focus. All right, so again, it's in the bullet packaging. Super pretty. I'm obsessed with these. So now I have 3. Ooh, okay. So I'm assuming this one is a lip topper like the previous one was. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so here it is. It's like a really pretty, like icy green color. Oh yeah, I like that. See, Jeffrey gonna have me start wearing lip toppers up in here. Okay, and then we have another liquid lip. This one is in Christmas Cookies. I heard how pretty this one was. And it's like from his... I don't know which collection this is from, to be honest. But it's in his normal standard pink packaging. So it's now part of the permanent line, I'm assuming. Okay, and here's what the shade looks like. It's pretty light. It's definitely something Dominique would like. But I ain't giving it to her, so. Okay, so I'm swatching everything on the back of my hand. I feel like it's easier to see because I'm brown. Okay, so here's that shade right here. It's like a pink color. Probably nothing I would wear because I don't usually wear nudes. Oh, speaking of lipstick, this is the one that I got from the previous mystery box, the exclusive Soul Sucker shade for the premium box. Okay, so here's that. Okay, so far I'm loving everything. I know I'm not that excited, but it's been a long day. All right, so next we're gonna open this. What is this? Oh my god, I got one of his glosses. Ooh, these just came out, and this one is in the shade Sequin Glass. It's not showing, whatever. My camera doesn't focus like I want it to. I'm excited to open this. Ooh, oh god, I can't get it. I don't want to rip the packaging. Oh, there we go. Okay. Long nails, bro. I'm telling you. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so it's like a grayish color. And then I love this packaging, bro. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we're just gonna, because I got lipstick on, I'm not gonna put it on my lips. Okay, and here's what the doe foot looks like. I'm pretty sure no one cares. But I'm gonna swatch it right here. Okay, definitely not what I was expecting. But it's definitely pretty. It's not, okay, there we go. It's got like some pearlescent in it, I guess you would say. It's not a clear gloss, it's like got some tint to it. Oh, it's really pretty. I can't wait to see what that looks like on my lips. Bro, I can't believe I got one of these. Like, he just launched these this year, I think. Oh, my shirt fell. Okay. I'm not even gonna worry about putting it back in the box, because I'm probably gonna use it soon. Okay. Alright, so far I'm obsessed, especially about that liquid frost. Okay, and so here we are. We have the, ooh, okay, the exclusive item for just the deluxe box. So this only comes in the deluxe box. It is a skin frost. Ooh, okay, okay. I was not expecting that. I legit thought it would be like another lipstick. Ooh, and it's called Mystery Frost. So I'm not gonna lie, I did see his post this morning. Well, I don't know if it was posted this morning or like already, but I saw it this morning of the inside of this. I really thought it was just the one that he was gonna like launch, but I'm assuming it is the mystery one. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna get like a good swipe across. I'm running out of arm space. It feels really nice. Okay, it's one of those more subtle shades, but it's definitely there. Okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely there. I don't know if you can see it. It's subtle, but it's right here along my arm. So compared to this, it's definitely subtle. Okay, I got another skin frost. So this makes my third one, but only my second one that isn't broken. And the other one I got from, the one that isn't broken is from the other premium box that I opened a while ago with me and Dominique. Okay, and then there's, oh my gosh, so I know what this is based on Dominique's box. So like, I can't believe I have one too. I have a mirror, y'all. I have been wanting one of these for so long. Oh my goodness. Like, if you watch, I don't know if you did, but if you saw me in Dominique's video, I'm gonna try to link it this time. I didn't link it in my last video. We unboxed her Supreme box and she had one and I was like, let me hold it. Okay, so I got the orange one too, so now we are twinning. Oh my god, so these mirrors retail for $25. I do know that, but makeup, like doing my makeup is about to be like amazing, like for real. Okay. All right, so that is everything. Oh my goodness, I can't even hold everything up. So just to recap, I dropped everything. Oh god. All right, so just to recap, we got 8 items in this box. So we got hella makeup, like so much makeup. We got the liquid frost, we got a lip ammo, we got a eyeshadow palette, we got a not Supreme Frost, a Skin Frost, we got one of his new lip glosses, and we got a regular liquid lip. On top of that, we got a shirt. So these 8 items, I'm gonna tally up how much they each cost, and we shall see. So some stuff I already know how much it is, like the mirror I know is $25, because as I said, I've been looking to purchase one. The liquid lips are $18. From last week's video, or the last video I did, this is $28. Okay. Skin Frosties, I think retail for, because it's an exclusive, I'm assuming it's going to be the same price as the normal Skin Frost, and I think they retail for $22. Okay, Skin Frost. Alright, so yes, the Skin Frost retails for $29. Okay, so I was wrong, so $29. I mean, that makes sense because it's a lot of product. The liquid frost retails for liquid frost. Oh, Jesus. Okay, a liquid frost retails for $25. So we got 25, 25, that's 50 already. Yeah, this is definitely worth the money. Okay, let me see how much his lip gloss and his shirt is, and then I'll tally up everything. Okay, so shirts. Alright, shirts are $25. Okay, so that's already at $75, and that's how much I paid for the box. It done paid for itself already by having this and the mirror in it. Like the shirt, the mirror, and this. That already paid for the box. Like, wow. Okay. And then the gloss. The gloss is the last thing that I need to... I love how his lip glosses are literally called the gloss. Like, love that. Okay, so this is 18. So all of the lip stuff is 18. So that's 18 times 3. 18 times 3 plus the 25 of the shirt, the 25 of the liquid frost, and the 25 of the mirror. And then the Skin Frost was 29. And the eyeshadow palette was 28, and so that's $186 is what I added it up to. Now I could be wrong, and my retail my math was wrong, and I forgot how much stuff costs, but he did say that the 186 for $75, and that's how much I calculated. So boom. But anyways, I'm about to wear this shirt all the time, y'all. Like, can't relate, like, at all. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here before I get carried away. So if you like this video, please come back and see more of my videos. I'm gonna probably do more unboxings because I like those. So yeah, but I'm gonna go. Peace.